Hello team, today we are going to learn how to install Nest Thermostat by yourself. I took a quotation from a contractor and he quoted me $200. It's funny because the thermostat itself is cheaper than that. So let's do the installation. You need to take out the old thermostat on the wall first. So just pull the faceplate out. Take the picture of the wires installed on your old thermostat because you're going to need that for the Nest thermostat. Essentially, the wire which was going in Y on your old will go in Y1 on the Nest, G on the old will go to G. You can look at the arrows and exactly follow the way it's installed. The bottom arrow where you can see small little holes, the top plate of the Nest will insert right in there so it can get the proper power. And that is it. That's all for the installation. Have fun, don't waste money, and make sure you use your energy efficiently. Have a nice day. Take care, guys. Bye.